Welcome to 4784 Wingsong Street. As soon as you walk into the house, there is a living area for you that you can lounge. The kitchen has nice granite counter. It is open space, recessed lighting. This property features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,789 square feet of living space with a lot of over 6,834 square feet. This home was built in 2002. And the master bathroom has a Roman tub as well as a tub and shower. This property has freeway access to Reno, San Francisco, and you're also close to the arena and downtown. The bathroom has 2 double sinks. The backyard is nicely open that you can entertain. There's a nice covered patio for you. Do you need to get some cardio or workout in? Well, there's multiple fitness centers around the property. Do you need some caffeine? Well, you're in luck. There's also a Starbucks conveniently located nearby. Thanks for joining me on this tour of this beautiful one-story home. Can you imagine yourself sipping on a glass of wine in your own home? If so, contact me today. Cheers!